So hello guys, welcome to another video. Today our goal is to change the code blocks theme to dark. So the default code blocks theme is actually white, but the most of the people likes the dark theme. So this is the video of step by step to how to change the code blocks color theme to dark. So first of all, where you can change it is go to settings editor. Once you go to editor, there will be syntax highlighting. That's default. There are no other options. So what you have to do first is download the file link in the description first, which is actually you know this is the color theme. It's actually if I see the it's color theme dot conf. So what you have to do is actually copy this color theme and then search percentage app data percentage, and then there will be a code blocks, which is actually where you save code blocks. Go in, and then in code blocks you have to paste the file. And this is not it, there are another steps. So then you gotta go at C and then go to program files. But remember, when you're doing the steps, always close the code blocks, or if you don't, it will cause problem to code blocks. Then go to program files. In code blocks, open this cb share config. You gotta go and run as administrator, and then there will be two files called source configuration file and then destination configuration file. The first one, which is source configuration file, you gotta go there and then get this color theme. You gotta click and then open. Now just click just yes to all of these. Then now all of these, but remember you have to click all of these. Then destination configuration file, you gotta go and get the default, then open it. Now transfer, yes, okay. Then save this, yes, okay. But do not close it. Not just close it yet, but what you have to do next is go to code blocks. Don't you ever close this file after going to the code blocks. Okay, so now the code blocks is actually right here. Then you gotta go at settings. But for the change, let me just open a normal C file. Now this is our normal C file. Let's just zoom this thing just to see the changes. Okay, just zoom a little. That's perfect. So now if I go to settings and then go to editor, a little bit while, and go to syntax highlighting, there will be loads of options for you. And then what I prefer for all of them, you can choose whatever you want. There are like others dark themes, but I most of the time I like the Son of Obsidian, which is actually much better than everything else. Now you gotta press OK, and your code blocks theme has changed. It's pretty easy and it's pretty cool, but if you don't want to download in the link in the description, then this is the step for you. So it's actually, I mean, this is actually, better than anything else, but this one is actually not that good. If you are wanting to change it as default, this is for you. That you gotta go at syntax highlighting, gotta add a file called dark code blocks. But if I say I prefer which or I recommend which, I say that I recommend downloading the file because it gets much more it takes much more effort, but it looks better than just changing as defaults. Now if you go there If you just want to change it as default, just set the foreground, which is actually you have to get it white, and the background should be black. So now it's the default one. If you just say OK, it's actually the default one, which is kind of gross for me. But if you download the file in the link in the description and follow the steps by steps, this is much better. Actually, you see the Son of Obsidian. Yeah, this is much better. So thanks for watching the video. And one more thing, again, that if something is wrong, or it's just too like the cursor you're pointing at is a little more, not highlighted, then you gotta go to editors, um, and then go to margins and caret, and you can just change it to white to just much look at it much better, or yeah, it highlights the cursor more. So thanks for watching the video. It was a small step for how to change the code blocks theme. You can download it, which is much better than changing as default. So thanks for watching.